another empties video. This one, it's about the masks which I used within the last 6 months. If you look at what I got, it looks quite a lot. However, majority of it are the sheet mask. So it's okay on one side. However, I'm a little bit disappointed that I use only as many as I did. But let me go one by one and tell you what I use and what I think about the items. First mask is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. That's their Hydrogel Mask, which comes in 2 pieces and has hyaluronic acid. So you put it on and then you wait, like, it's up to you if you want to do 15 or 30 minutes. But yes, that does hydrate. It leaves your skin plump and looking nice and pretty. I do like it. I went through many of them and they're easily accessible. Also, from the same line, they have their seaweed extract. Honestly, I didn't see too much difference. Now it says purifying, so I don't know, maybe it's for like a oily skin or if your skin is looking not so good, but those two were working similar for me and I prefer this one because I couldn't see any results. But yes, I did repurchase and I will recommend it. Then from Ziaja we have their goat milk mask, which is like a thick balm which you put on your skin. You leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes and after you remove it, your skin is really nice, hydrated, plump and looks pretty. So I went through 3 of those. I do like it and I have many backups and it's one of those items which I will recommend. Next we got the Garnier Skin Active, which comes with hyaluronic acid. This one in particular has the pomegranate extract. However, each of the Skin Active mask, it's a sheet mask which you leave for 15 minutes. And yes, it will nicely hydrate your skin. So for sure I will recommend. Okay, let's go with a little bit of variety. That's the Aveeno Cica foot mask. Those are the little booties which you're gonna put on your feet and then leave it for like 10 minutes. And if your feet need some help or if you forgot about it, they're really nice. It says it's for dry skin, but you know what? Anyone can use it because most of the time we forget about our feet, and this one, it does makes them look soft and feel nice. So yeah, I went through 2 of those. So this is the actual hydrating mask. Then I have the Care Booties, which do the similar thing, and you can find them in any, I'm not gonna say drugstore, but if you have a Walmart around you, if you're gonna go to the medical aisle, you can find them as well. So the concept is the same. So those 2 items, or those 2 foot masks, they will repair and hydrate your foot. So I give them thumbs up. Earlier I was having the pomegranate mask. This one is with chamomile, so it's more for a gentle skin and supposed to suit, but the concept is the same. So yeah, any mask from the Skin Active line, it's really good and worth trying and recommending. Earlier I showed you Aveeno mask for foot. This one, it's for hands. You can use it anytime. However, I use this when my hands were really rough. For example, right now where I live, it's really cold, so I don't wear gloves and I don't really apply hand cream every time I wash my hands, so they look pretty rough. But after I used this one, they were looking nice and smooth and hydrated. Technically, my hands were looking younger, and yes, I did enjoy it. So you got the gloves which you, can you focus? Okay, so you get the gloves which you put it on, leave it for 10 minutes, and once you take it off, you massage whatever it's left. So yes, it is worth trying out and for sure I'm recommending. The item which I wasn't really impressed with is the Peter Thomas Roth their cucumber gel mask. Honestly, it didn't do nothing for me. I could easily use the aloe vera juice and I will get the same results. So I would say skip it. Got some Korean Beauty, that's the Leaders Insolution, their sheet mask for anti-aging. Now, so far all the Leaders Insolution mask, which comes with the little pipette, are really good because they will hydrate your skin. And if you look at the pictures, come on, can you focus please? You get the sheet mask, you put it on, then you take it off and you padded the remaining product. I do like the items, even though it's supposed to be anti-aging, it hydrates and I do like it. I tried their yellow, pink, blue, green line. I'm like, there comes with, they're claiming they're supposed to be for different things, but honestly they work the same. It just gives a bunch of hydration, but I like it. Sticking to Korean Beauty, we have the MISSHA hyaluronic acid, and similarly as with the previous one, this one has the, what was it, hydrogel. It's moisturizing. Hyaluronic acid, it's one of those items, so it's one of the ingredients which will keep moisture inside your skin and it will hydrate, so you cannot really go wrong with it. Another hydrating mask was from Booties, which I wasn't really impressed about it because the mask is supposed to be hydrated, but it was only enough wet just to put on my skin. I would say it wasn't wet enough to give me anything. So no, I will not repurchase, and no, I will not recommend. Since we have few items left, another blue product is from Ziaja. That's their moisturizing mask with the algae. It's a blue shiny mask which, okay, can you focus maybe? Which smells like an ocean, or like one of the nice oceans fragrance scent, but it does hydrate it and I did like it. I have a few buckets of it. And then talking about hydration, we have the Clarins SOS Hydro, which was nice, and yes, it did hydrate. I went through a few samples of it previously. I don't mind repurchasing, but I will have to do it while Clarins is on sale because it's a pricey brand. But otherwise, you can easily ask it as a Christmas gift because it's worth it. From Clinique, we have their Moisture Surge Overnight Mask, which no, I didn't like it. Why? Because it's supposed to be overnight mask, which yes, you can use as an overnight mask at the end of your skincare routine. However, I could get the result, okay, I could get the same of results of putting 2 layers of my moisturizer on my face. It didn't do nothing for me, so no, I would say skip it. But if you want another overnight mask, for sure give it a try to the Origins, their avocado mask. Once you put it on, you can see immediate results. Yes, it does hydrate, and when you wake up in the morning, your skin is nice and plump, and the product by itself smells nice. Now, if you want fast results, then give it a try to the Freeman cream mask with their Manuka honey. This one, it's a big tube. You can also buy a small travel packet. I do like it, however, it took me a while to go through it. Now, if you have a big event or if you have no time, you know what, give it a try because you're gonna see your skin looking better within a minute. I do like it, however, I will not buy the big tube because I have few other masks to go through, but for sure I will repurchase the small packets. The one which I didn't see any results was the one from Clarins for, really? Focus. I couldn't see any results from the extra firmic mask, maybe because my skin is not in that stage yet, so I cannot give you any opinions about it. And then the last one is this prescription, the anti-aging mask. I didn't like it at the beginning, but after a few uses I did like it, so if you see it, just give them a try. Now the items which for sure I'm recommending are the foot masks, then the hand mask from Aveeno, the overnight mask from Origins. You're gonna get awesome hydration. Masks from Garnier, because they have a bunch of hyaluronic acid. From the Korean brands, we have the one from MISSHA and Litter's Insolutions. For any type of skin, the goat milk from Ziaja, the hydrating mask from Clarins. If you like fast results, is the Freeman hydrating mask with Manuka honey, and more hydration, it's with the Ziaja Spa Alg and the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Okay, so that was my overview of my favorite masks, and I see you guys next time. Bye!